In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate time tracking in Monday.com, setting you up for success by making your project management both efficient and effortless. Let's dive in and transform how you handle your time tracking. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, it's crucial to navigate to the board where you want to set up your time tracking. This board could be dedicated to projects, specific tasks, or even client management depending on your needs. Now that you're on your desired board, it's time to add a critical feature, the time tracking column. Look to the far right of your board and click the plus sign. You will then need to select more columns from the available options. From here, type time tracking into the search bar. Once it appears, click on Add to Board, and you'll notice a new stopwatch style column has been added to your items. This new column is your gateway to seamless time tracking. With the time tracking column now visible, you're ready to start tracking real-time data. Focus on the specific task or item you wish to monitor and click the play button, highlighted as a small triangle indicating a start or play function within the time tracking column. As soon as you do this, the timer starts running, precisely measuring out how long you work on the task. Whenever you need a break or finish working on the task, simply hit the pause button. Rest assured, Monday.com diligently saves your time logs, ensuring you never lose track of your valuable time. Alright, after utilizing the time tracker, you might be curious about reviewing how much time has been tracked. Simply click on the time log in your task to view all track sessions. This breakdown offers a clear view of the total time spent, individual logs revealing date, duration, and the user involved, as well as any manual entries. This can be incredibly useful for dissecting how time is utilized across different tasks and projects. Now, to gain deeper insights, especially if you're managing larger projects or multiple tasks, consider setting up a dashboard within Monday.com. Dashboards enable you to visualize your data in a comprehensible manner. Add the time tracking widget and discover a range of insights. You'll be able to monitor total hours spent per project, analyze time allocated per team member, and even distinguish between billable and non-billable hours. This holistic view can greatly enhance your clarity and facilitate better decision-making. With these steps, you've set up an efficient, automated time tracking system on Monday.com. This automation not only simplifies your workflow, but also helps in strategic planning and productivity analysis, empowering you to excel in managing your projects effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide significantly enhances your experience with Monday.com.